was at the Giant and they had Hi-Chew gummies. Two things about Hi-Chews is they have very accurate flavor and they are super chewy. So I don't know how gummies go into their branding, but let's give it a try. They do smell like Hi-Chew. Let's see. It says peach, mango, and strawberry. Trying to get more each here. It says it's supposed to have juice in the middle. I mean, you can barely see it. It's like a little line there. They're very okay. They really don't have much flavor, which is disappointing. So they're soft and not flavorful, completely anti-Hi-Chew. Probably give them a 4 out of 10. They're good as a bland gummy, but just stick to the regular Hi-Chews.